you have questions, if they're short questions, I'll try to get right to it and answer you right away, but the longer questions we'll have to hold off until the end. So just to give you an outline of today's workshop. Hey. They can have them. Yeah, so, yeah. There's 2 left if anybody wants them.
So, I'll take one.
All right.
Hand it for this shop.
Okay.
Okay. Does anyone have a computer that needs this for today, right now? Okay. So,
I guess I'll take it.
Who's with a big group of friends that they can share this with?
Okay, so I'm sorry I didn't make note of those. I didn't realize we'd have so many people today. So just to briefly outline the workshop, I'm going to just introduce Photoshop and the workspace. I know this might be reminders for some of you. It may be an introduction, so I'll just kind of go through it. Bear with me. You already know what I'm talking about. I will show you how to do some of the customization, so a custom brush. Some of the things that I do, nothing is set in stone. It's just what works for me. I am using a tablet today, so I will reference it a lot. And I'm also on a Mac. Sorry, Windows users, if I'm saying a lot of commands that aren't familiar, they translate Google. So next I'll move into a line art drawing, and I'll show you how to bring a line art drawing from a piece of paper into Photoshop, how to build your line art from that, how to draw underneath it, and how to polish it up. And then we'll go into digital painting, which isn't too different. It's just different on how we handle that line art. And then afterwards we'll do some Q&A. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started, because when I timed this last time I was running way over, so I'm glad we started a little early. So, an introduction to Photoshop here. This is CS6.